You want the best back-to-school retail play? Let's go.
Oh, back to school, back to school.
All right, hey everyone, welcome back to Trade Talk Tuesday. Here it is. Before you know it, it's going to be back to school shopping time again. Unlike last year around this time, we have a new retail trend. That retail trend is mismanagement. For instance, Target, okay? They just recently warned investors in June about a pileup in its inventory, and as a result, the stock got crushed. Target's CEO, Bryan, he said that the company would take drastic measures to get its inventory back on track. All right, so how does he get inventory back on track? Well, he's got his work cut out for him. I mean, you got a slowing economy, you have inflation going up, you have interest rates going up.
37% interest compounded every minute. Here's your new monthly payment.
And the current status of many top retailers, it's really not in good shape. And here's the thing, here's the important point. The pain of those retailers right now is actually a gain for TJX company.
Maxxinista.
Ticker symbol is TJX. I'm sure you know TJ Maxx, right? They're an off-price apparel and home fashions retailer. They own 1,248 TJ Maxx stores, 1,148 Marshall stores, and 850 home goods stores. And collectively, these stores sell everything from apparel to footwear to home fashions to furniture, rugs, lighting, cookware, jewelry, like everything, right? So when you hear Target CEO say that they're going to take drastic measures to get its inventory back on track, what that basically means is they're going to take their excess inventory, which they just bought and they're sitting on, they're going to eat the cost of that, and they're going to pass it on to TJX for pennies on the dollar. And what that means is that TJX is taking Target's mismanagement and using it to their advantage. Now, according to a study from Deloitte, back-to-school spending is about to reach new highs this year. So what's going to happen?
I don't know. You tell me.
In this environment that we're in, instead of spending money at a polo shirt from Nordstrom or at Macy's, you're going to see customers buy it at Marshall's. All of that is a benefit to TJX. Now, check this out. Pull up the chart, all right? If you can see TJX, it's got a double bottom right there at that 56 level. So going into the back-to-school shopping period, the time to get positioned is now. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get positioned in TJX right now. We're going to buy it at current levels, and then you are positioned for the back-to-school shopping trend in the best off-price apparel and home fashions retailer in the entire market. And there you have it. That's your Trade Talk Tuesday episode for today. As always, I'm Bryan. You know the tagline, stop hating, start trading. If you like this episode, post a comment below. Tell me what other stocks you'd like me to cover. And on that, cue my exit.